How to copy a link from Instagram. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways to copy links from Instagram. 1 is your profile link, 2 is a link in the comment section, and 3 is the link of a post. So the very first one is your profile. So go to your profile and then click on the 3 lines at the top right corner, then hit QR code right over there. Now here you want to go ahead and copy the link, and or you can actually click on share profile and then hit copy link as well. Now you've copied the link and you can send this to someone. Let's just search real quick, and there you go. You can see this is the link. Method number 2, copy a link from an Instagram comment. What you want to do is simply go to a comment right over here, and when I long hold onto this comment, nothing really works. Now on iPhone, what I want to do is simply take a screenshot. Once you've taken a screenshot, you want to go to your photos. Once you're here in your photos, as you can see, you just want to simply long hold this and then open in YouTube. And there you go. We have now opened this link up, which is perfectly fine. Now, how can you actually do this on Android? Well, that's actually pretty easy. What you want to do is simply go over here, click on the share button, then copy the link. Now put the link in Safari or Google, and then go to the comment section, or you might have to log in first to open the full comment section, but for me it's also right here. I want to long hold this, and then there you go. I've now copied the link as well. Method number 3 is copying a link from a post. Now if you've watched the full video, you might have seen me just do that literally, but what you want to do is simply click on the share button, and then you can actually click on copy link right over there, or click on share to, and then here you can share it to any platform you would like to. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.